let's talk about IMPT, the most sustainable cryptocurrency of 2022. But before we continue, subscribe to our channel for more updates. The most environmentally friendly cryptocurrency of 2022 is called IMPT. This cryptocurrency initiative has gone to extraordinary lengths to develop a game-changing system for accumulating carbon credits. It has one goal, which is to increase the level of openness in the carbon credit market, and to ensure that everyone, regardless of their financial situation, can participate in it. Carbon credit was a system that, for the most of its existence, allowed participation from only the most advanced industries. Because of this, the folks who actually mattered ended up feeling alienated. Because there was no oversight, there was a lot of corruption in the market for carbon credits. IMPT is a decentralized cryptocurrency project that has taken matters into its own hands and is working to establish a streamlined purchasing platform for carbon credits. Carbon credits are contracts that allow customers to emit CO2 into the atmosphere. There is a great deal of ambiguity around carbon credits throughout the narrative. Allow us to assist you in making things a little bit easier for you. Carbon credits are permissions, contracts that let a firm emit a predetermined amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. These contracts are signed by the company that wants to emit the carbon dioxide. This is the method that explains how everything operates. The primary objective of IMPT is to organize a carbon credit market that is open and honest and that enables all parties involved to collaborate in order to achieve a common objective, which is not limited to the pursuit of financial gain but also takes into account concerns regarding the natural environment. Not only does IMPT take steps to eliminate the incentive for duplicate selling, but it also gives regular customers, such as you and us, the opportunity to earn carbon credits just by shopping. To achieve this goal, IMPT has collaborated with over 10,000 different brands that produce environmentally friendly products. These brands include Microsoft and Apple. Every one of them has made the decision to donate some of the profit they make from their sales to various environmental causes. If you are a user of the IMPT platform, you will earn $IMPT, the network's native cryptocurrency, for every purchase you make utilizing the platform. Due to the one-of-a-kind functionality that it provides, IMPT is quickly becoming one of the most desirable cryptocurrencies to purchase in 2022. The advantages, however, do not end there. On the platform, you can acquire IMPT tokens, and when you have enough of them, you can trade them in for carbon credits. Following that, you will be able to offer those carbon credits, which will first be organized as NFTs, for sale on the platform. In addition, if you are confident in your commitment to addressing environmental issues, you have the option of retiring this carbon credit, which means taking it out of circulation. The retirement of the carbon credits comes with its own set of benefits. If you can demonstrate on the IMPT platform that you have done the same thing, then you will be able to obtain NFT artworks created by some of the most well-known artists in the area. You have the option of adding it to your collection or selling it on the OpenSea. IMPT was highlighted on the well-known fintech website Capital.com because it possesses all of these qualities, and it has also been ranked as one of the best projects of the year by leading independent rating websites such as Coindex and CryptoPresales.com. These accolades were awarded to IMPT because the project boasts of having all of these qualities. This cryptocurrency is hosted on the Polygon blockchain, which is another one of the most environmentally friendly cryptocurrencies that we have investigated this year. This is just another reason why this cryptocurrency is so wonderful. At the time this article was written, IMPT has succeeded in raising a significant amount of IMPT tokens worth $5 million in its pre-sale, which has since come to a close and is currently scheduled for its IEO. The initial public offering, IEO, is scheduled to take place on Uniswap, and it will thereafter be followed by 7 major CEX listings. The purpose of the Impact Project is to improve the state of carbon credits in such a way that individuals are encouraged to make purchases from businesses that are socially responsible and sustainable, and businesses are encouraged to act in a socially responsible manner if they want consumers to buy their products. Carbon credits stored on the blockchain are more transparent and environmentally sound. The trading of carbon credits occurs almost solely between businesses, rather than private individuals, and uses a trading mechanism that is decades old. This is the only way that carbon credits can be managed in their current state. The state gives out carbon credits as part of an effort to either coerce businesses into cutting their carbon emissions or make it economically untenable for businesses to continue polluting the environment. The existing method that is used to exchange carbon credits is incredibly archaic, and the lack of efficiency isn't something that can be maintained for long. When carbon credits are stored on a blockchain, they become available for trade around the clock to anybody with internet access, and the entire transaction can be viewed by all parties involved. Taking advantage of the rapidly expanding ESG business, companies all over the world are now required to invest their money in ESG companies because it has become one of the most prominent trends in the past few years. Environmental, social, and corporate governance (ESG) metrics are used to measure how well a company manages its resources and treats its employees and customers. According to Broadridge Financial Solutions, this pattern is not anticipated to change in the near future, and it is projected that the total business will expand to more than $30 trillion by the year 2030. In the few quarters that Tesla has actually managed to be a profitable company, this was almost exclusively thanks to the fact that company was able to sell their surplus carbon credits, which they didn't need to redeem, because they aren't as pollutant as their competitors. Elon Musk, who is one of the wealthiest men in the world, has generated a substantial portion of his fortune from the sale of carbon credits. This is one of the reasons why he is one of the wealthiest men in the world. To now, IMPT has had a lot of success, which bodes well for their plans to make a profit off of this rapidly growing market over the course of the next few years. The pre-sale has now brought in $12 million. The IMPT pre-sale has been a tremendous success thus far and continues to go from strength to strength, having now raised more than $12 million toward their objective of improving the carbon credits markets. Their goal is to change the markets such that they are more environmentally friendly. People who are interested in taking part in the pre-sale can do so on the IMPT website, where it is currently being held in its continuing state. Due to the fact that the pre-sale is being carried out in stages, those individuals who participated in the pre-sale at earlier levels will be able to do so going forward. So what are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments section below. Subscribe to our channel for more.